Ford just revealed a 900 horsepower Raptor R. Yeah, 900. This new performance parts project truck, it's their blueprint for the ultimate off-road build. It's called the F-150 Raptor R project vehicle, and it's more than just a concept with big numbers. This thing takes the already wild 5.2-liter supercharged V8 with the 720 horsepower up to over 900 horsepower, thanks to a 3-liter Whipple supercharger kit. And yes, it's engineered and tested by Ford Performance. This isn't a fantasy build. This supercharger package is designed to be CARB certified and 50-state legal, and is backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty if it's installed by a Ford dealer or an ASE-certified tech. So this isn't just about power, it's power you can actually trust. Visually, this thing's just as serious. If you can tell by the pictures, this thing's covered in carbon fiber with that gloss carbon fiber package it has on it. A Borla Extreme catback exhaust with black tips and rigid industry lighting all over. It's also riding on method race wheels that looks like it's gonna tear through anything. This isn't a production model. This is what Ford built to show what's possible when you combine factory back performance with customization. As Matt Simpson from Ford said, this build is for the kind of person who looks at the Raptor R and says, how can we take it further? This might be the best glimpse yet where Ford is taking factory performance and customization. Would you build something like this, or is 720 horsepower enough? Let me know your answer in the comments. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.